Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Jaybird Run buds to your MacBook. First of all, you have to open this charging case, then remove both earbuds from this case, and just simply take a look for the indicators. They are located right here. If they are not going to turn on to the pairing mode, we are going to do this manually. Okay, so click and hold these two buttons together. Keep holding. Now release. And do this one more time. Click and hold until indicators start blinking green. Yeah, right now we can release. Put them close to our MacBook. Then simply go to the Bluetooth settings. So we have to open the system settings. Go for the Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and just take a look for the nearby devices. We have to wait until our Jaybird pops on the list, and here we have it. So click connect. We are connected right now. The last step, go for the sound settings and find if the output and the input is switched to the Jaybird Run XT. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.